Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Niklix. So in today's video, I will let you explain how to make jQuery sliders, how to make jQuery image sliders. I am presenting the video of different jQuery sliders. So if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel for all latest update of jQuery slider. So starting with my first slider, like I will create a div with a class main. Then I will create four images over here. Image source 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I will create a image outside the division. So this I am only declaring a class. I am not defining its source. Now let's start. Take a look how it is been looking. So here the four images is being placed. So putting some styles over here. Dot main image width 100 pixel, let it be 200 pixel, height 200 pixel. So width 100, 200 pixel, height 200 pixel. What does it mean? That the div class main, in main division, all the images, all the image tags will having a width of 200 pixel and height of 200 pixels. So I'm gonna refresh this. So here the 200 pixels of 200 pixel of width and height of all images are being set. So now working to the jQuery part, main image. What does it means? Means it refers to all the image tags in the main class, right? So main image dot hover. Hover is a function. Now what it will be fetching is where txt this dot attribute source, and I have defined the class name as image main. So image main dot attribute source comma txt. So let's have a look. I can also set the width and height of image main division. So here if I am going to see the output is, then if I am hovering on the second image, the second image has been displayed over here. If I am hovering on the third image, the third image is been displaying over here. So this is basically the slider. So now I am going to make you understand it's working. So main image, main is a division and the image are all the images that are placed over here. Dot hover means any image, if I am going to hover my mouse over any of these four images, then the function will be executing. What function will be doing is, if I am hovering on this second image, this means the second image. If I am hovering on the fourth image, this means the fourth image. This dot attribute source, I have picked the source. For example, if I am hovering on the fourth image, so it is picking up the source of 4.jpg and it is placing that particular source in txt variable. Then I am referring to the image main. Image main is a class that I have given to the image tag that is placed outside division. Image main dot attribute, attribute is an inbuilt function of jQuery. Then source, I am setting up a source over here, source, and the value is txt. The value txt contains the source of that image on which I have placed my cursor. So if I am going to place my cursor on this third image, it will display the third image in the main box, and if second and first one. So I hope you understand the concept of hover slider in jQuery. I hope you like my videos. Do subscribe my channel for getting all the latest update of jQuery tutorial. Thanks for watching my video.